At dawn, we ride.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Bad Ideas 101! Coleman, how much crawl space do you have up there? Enough. No, I'd wager the opposite.
Give me a pillow and I can sleep up here.
Our specialist, Blake, is on the scene. Blake, what do you think of this scene?
Bad idea.
I know! Thank you for joining us on Bad Ideas 101! So we're working the glue off of the steps here next to the garage. We've been scraping it off. Now we're working on using a cement grinder to take it off. That was a pain in the butt. Well, this is unusual. Cleared everything out so we can get in here and redo the floors today. I built a half-scale helicopter for my kids. And of course I didn't put paint mat down, so that all got overspray on it. Shoot, that was a long time ago. Hopefully it'll stay nice after we do this to it. I think we picked a good morning to get this done. It's nice out. Beautiful, beautiful morning. And me and Benny are hanging out on the windowsill, waiting for the floor guy to show up with his garage sander. So it's 4:24 in the morning, and my flooring, guys, that we've been working on, we got everything done, but it had to get dried, so we're drying it all night so that it can have this product put on it in the morning. But all my crap's on the driveway still. So I didn't want it to get stolen while I was sleeping, so we're pulling an all-nighter. And
protect you.
Nate's on guard duty with a plastic sword. Yes.
Stay away!
I try to tell everybody, hey, this stuff's not for sale. We're just cleaning the garage out. Everything's nice and dry this morning. It's ready for the next coat. So we got several coats on today. It's nice and shiny. I'm a little disappointed that there are some stains underneath that ended up coming up out of the concrete. That happened before the epoxy coat got put on, before I bought this house. So we were hoping it would be more pure cement, but it is what it is now. But I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out. I can't wait to see what it looks like again with all the stuff back in it. So after grinding all the carpet off of these steps and putting that new coating on here, this is what that looks like. It's really nice. I'm happy with that. It's pretty shiny throughout. However, there were some stains that happened before the epoxy was put down that we just sanded off. So sometime before the last 18 years, they had a car in here leaking. Then they probably washed it off and put the epoxy on, and now that stain is still there. And there's one here. This stall wasn't used as much, I don't think, because it looks super clean for those two car stalls, but there's a little bit over here. I think the guy before me had snowmobiles too, so that might be what leaked there. But I think it's going to be very usable. It's very smooth. I want to fill in these cracks so I don't have to deal with crap falling in those. But I'm pretty happy with it. I was hoping it would be a little, I guess those stains are what's bothering me. But I think that's going to get covered up with stuff right now anyway. And it is a shop floor, so it is going to get beat up anyway. So.
Benny, take the paper. Take the paper, Benny. Benny, take the paper. Benny, take the paper! Okay.